Kwa wale wasionijua kwa majina, naitwa Present Andreas. So today I'm going to take you through artificial intelligence. So to start with, what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is a concept whereby we give in our brain. Yeah? We give our brain to the computers so that in case even we die, the computers will be able to do the things that we already doing. For example, a specialist in medicine might be used in development of an AI site or platform that might be used even when the person is not around. So that is an importance of AI. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is graphic design. So artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of creating machine that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So we give in the machines our intelligence. Okay. So here is the concept. For example, a graphic designer might be there trying to develop a graphics, maybe let's say for the president, okay, or a graphic for a company or for a certain politician. How do you make such a graphic design using artificial intelligence? It's very simple. Go to something called ChatGPT, or you can use Copilot, or you can use any artificial neural network AI site, or convolutional neural network site of AI. You can use such sites to come up with a graphic design. For example, let me ask Copilot to give me a poster of certain thing, and you're going to see that coming out. Okay, give me a poster, image poster. You're going to see it here. You're going to see an image poster popping up here in less than 20 seconds. So we're not going to replace the designer. The designers are going to be there. Okay, the designers are going to be there. But the issue is we're going to make things faster. We're going to make things easier. We're going to make things more and more better. So we can develop a graphic design using what? Artificial intelligence. Now, the second point is in education and research. So, how do you use artificial intelligence in education and research? So here we have AI song creation. So we are creating a poster for AI song creation. You see, it's a very nice poster that it's even attractive before the eyes, but I've created it using artificial intelligence. It's very easy. You can go to Copilot, you design your own poster, or you can, how do you call it? You can customize, yeah. You can customize your poster to fit your user requirement. In case you have any problem related to such an issue or the use of AI to come up with graphic designs, you can hit my DM, or you can ask for a new or the next development of a video on AI in graphic design. Now we have our next topic is education and research. How do we use AI in education and research? The first thing, I can code a whole website without even using my brain, because AI is there. It can do for me. It's good in AI. It's good in HTML. It's good in CSS. It's good in PHP. So the work of a web developer has been improved in such a way that the web developer is not going to come up with the codes from scratch. It's going to just implement codes and improve them. You see, that's a development stage that is already showing improvements. Yeah. So for example, here I want a code for my website. Okay, code for my website. Code for my website on how to creating music with AI. So I'm going to come up with a website that's going to tell people that I'm creating music with AI, and I'm going to come up with such a website, the front end, within less than 2 seconds. That's it. So here are my codes. This is HTML, doc type HTML. How many lines of code? I can see it's like, okay, it's very few lines of code. I can tell it to give me an extensive code, like a more extensive code, or something of that sort. So you can use AI for academic, education, and research. Okay, you're welcome. So the next topic is information updates. That is question and answer. You can ask AI anything about Kenya, about anything, about, let me ask about who is Andrea Thu, and let AI tell you who I am. I know you don't know me. Come again, come closer. Now, who is Andrea Thu? That is AI. It's going to give me. I don't know myself. Now, for what I know, Andrea Thu is a male individual. Um, this one, okay. So you can get information. Who is the president of Kenya? Okay, who is the president of Kenya? So if you ask about who is the president of Kenya, you're going to get, yes, we have been able to know who is the president of Kenya. So the president of Kenya, as at the date 19th of May 2026, is Mr. President Dr. William Kipchirchir Samoei Arap Ruto. So you can use AI to know anything in this world. Anything. So the more we evolving, we are at the moment we're enjoying 5G. That's the start of 5G. That's artificial intelligence. So the fifth generation of computers, the artificial intelligent computers which use their brain. So our next topic is about scripts and proposals and presentation. We can use artificial intelligence to come up with a particular script, a particular proposal, or anything. Okay, let's say for example, you can ask ChatGPT, Copilot, or any AI platform that you know to come up with something of that sort. For example, we have been using Copilot. Now let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to tell us everything that is going to be used in proposal presentation. You can use that to create your memos, to create your emails, to create your CVs. You see that the application data that you want. So you can use AI to do all that sort of things. Okay, so you are welcomed. Let's continue. It's also supporting technical projects like coding. I've clearly shown that. Maybe you have your code, you have an issue with our code. Let's say we have this code here. Now we can copy this code. I have my code. I've been doing coding. I've been teaching myself I've been teaching myself what? I've been teaching myself HTML or Java or Python. So how am I going to cope up with that? Okay. Now I have an error that I don't have anybody to explain to, or I don't know how to debug such an error. You use AI to do that. Okay. So AI is very good, is very important, and it's very useful to our life. So technical assistance. For example, I'm trying to look into the problem of a computer. I will ask the AI. I will ask my laptop. Let me ask Copilot because it's a bit faster. I will ask my laptop does not does not boot. Okay, so it's going to tell me what possibly could be causing this problem. So if I'm a technician and I don't know what the issue could be, if a laptop is not booting, the meaning of booting is starting. So if it's not able to launch itself, how are you going to come up with, to know the most problem, the most the probability, the most probable problem? You see, so you can use AI to come up with such problems, and then you start from that point. Now you add your technical expertise, experience to solve the problem. So AI, my laptop does not boot. You see, let me see how it's going to tell me. You can also ask AI how to maybe install Windows. Maybe Windows 10 is going to expire by mwezi wa 11. That is is it November? November, December, yeah. November. By November, we are not going to have Windows 10 security. So prepare yourself to update yourself, to update your laptop, your PC with Windows 11. So do you know how to do that? You can know that using artificial intelligence. You are welcome to this channel. You can subscribe, you can hit the like button, you can share some love comment. Welcome. So we're going to continue with audio and music production. Oh my God. Do you know that you don't need to sing for you to be a singer? You don't need to know how to sing for you to be a singer. You don't need to download music from Play Store. You don't need to download music from Mudundo. You don't need anymore. You can create your own customized songs. Maybe you want melody of happiness. You want a melody of sadness. You can come up with your own songs. Let me show you how to do this. I'm going to come up with a video on how to do that, and I'm going to be able to do that with you, together with me. So I'm going to do that together with you. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to help you with applications such as Suno. Go and search in your Play Store, Suno, using your mobile phone. You can create your own phone, your own song. So for example, I don't know how to come up with the lyrics. So lyrics for a love song, for a love song. You see, this is Copilot. It's going to give you a lyrics for a love song, and you're going to paste that lyrics in your application that you have downloaded for making music, and then you have your music, the one that you want. So here are the lyrics. You see, I have a song already. This is AI. Yeah? So if I have the lyrics and I have the application that I am telling you, you can use Suno, you can use Music Creator AI. So guys, you're welcome. Feel at home, subscribe and like for more update, for more kuchanuana, for more news, for more education, and for more tutorials. Like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, you're welcome.